Curiosity about who's viewing your Instagram profile is natural, especially as social media becomes more intertwined with daily life. However, as of 2024, Instagram does not offer a feature that allows users to see exactly who has visited their profile. This is a deliberate choice by Instagram, aiming to protect user privacy and prevent misuse of personal information. While you might be eager to know who's checking out your photos or stories, the platform keeps profile visits anonymous unless someone interacts with your content directly. You can, however, see the usernames of people who have liked or commented on your posts, and if you post a story, you'll find a list of viewers for the first 24 hours after it's published. Beyond these interactions, Instagram does not reveal the identities of users who simply visit your profile without engaging. For those wanting more insights, switching to a business or creator account unlocks Instagram Insights. This tool provides valuable analytics, such as how many people visited your profile, your reach and impressions, and general audience demographics. Yet, these insights are presented in aggregate form and don't disclose specific usernames. It's important to be cautious of third-party applications or websites that claim to show you exactly who has viewed your Instagram profile. These apps often require your login information, putting your account security at risk, and many violate Instagram's terms of service. Using them could even result in your account being suspended. Ultimately, Instagram's approach encourages users to focus on authentic engagement rather than tracking individual visitors. The best way to understand your audience is to create compelling content, interact with your followers, and utilize the official analytics tools provided by the platform. While you can't see every profile visitor, you can still grow your presence by building genuine connections and analyzing overall engagement trends.